it's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all on this makeup look that I created right here. So if you want to see how I created this festive holiday look, just stay tuned.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Okay, so welcome back. So we're gonna get started, and we're gonna start by using my Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. I have not really got to play with this palette yet. I did do some swatching when I purchased it, but I have not used it yet, and I thought it would be perfect to use to create a red look. So I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe brush. It does not have a number, but it's a little tapered, and I'm going to go into the shade Douche. It's this brown shade, and just kind of fluff everything out right here. It's really pretty and precise. I like that. It's called Ouch. I said Douche. Ouch. The shade color is called Ouch. Oh, my bad. I said Douche. I couldn't see it. My bad. Alright. So, just give it some more color there. The next shade I'm going to go into is actually called Blood Sugar, which is this nice little red shimmer shade. I'm going to put this down because it's going to be the main color we're going to be working with today. And we're just going to get that in the crease. Working with some reds. Want to be nice and festive. Yep. And I'm just going to fan it out because this I want to be fanned out. Alright. I think that looks good. So now I'm just going to go and do the other eye. Get that crease up. I like this brush because you can get really precise with it. You go really precise, which that's what I like. So Alright, so now that we have that on, what we're gonna do now is do a cut crease. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay concealer, and this is in shade Tan 45, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. And then look up. Alright, so we kind of see where that's gonna go. And just kind of clean it up. I got it as straight as I can, and then my hand did some weird, which that happens at times, you guys. It's makeup, so don't get all fussy about it. So I'm gonna go back into that Ouch shade, and we're just going to set this concealer Okay. Set it. Nice and pretty. And Cake Mix, which is a nice little shade as well. And just kind of get that all over the eye. Now this little part right here, I'm just going to blend that out into my skin so it doesn't look all crazy. Go into that Cake Mix and just get that all over the eye. Alright, now let's finish this other eye. Where's my liner? We're going to finish this eye right here and this eye I gotta be really gentle with. I don't know what's going on, but it's really irritated today. And I tried to take my contact out and that made it even worse. So I had to put it back in. So I don't really know what's going on with my eye. So this one I'm being very, very gentle because I'm not trying to put any pressure. It feels like there's like a rock in my eye, but I know for sure there is not a rock in my eye. So I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. There we go. Kind of deepen that up a little bit more. Alright. Now, we're gonna go into that ouch again and just kind of set this. And I'm mixing some Cake Mix in there as well, which just is a little bit lighter shade than ouch. So they're both like my skin tone. And right here, we're just gonna blend this concealer out into my skin. Okay. Super easy. Let's just make sure you got everything nice and set. Alright. So that's what we got going on so far. We are not done. Alright. So now we are going to line the eyes. My NYX Epic Wear Professional Makeup Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner in white. So, you know what? While that's drying, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go under my eye with this red shade, Blood Sugar, and just smoke out my lash line with it. We're gonna let that liner dry. It really is liquidy. Okay, so now that that is all dry, now I'm going to do my little candy cane lines, and I'm going to be using my waterproof lip liner, and it's in shade Delight, and this is from BH Cosmetics, and it's a nice little red shade, and I'm just going to draw some red lines over the white. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the line I was trying to draw did not work, so when it doesn't work, you improve. So I'm just gonna draw a whole line in red over the white, and then we'll cut it. And this eye gotta be very gentle, because like I said, it's irritated. So now I'm just going to take my Thrive mascara and go on and get that mascara on my lashes so I can get that white off of there. And I'm just going to pop my lashes and Seductive on. I'm using my lashes from my line, Flirty Gurl lashes. If you haven't shopped with us, check us out. We are having a 50% off sale for the holiday season, so definitely check us out. And I'm just putting some lash adhesive on my lashes. I'm using my Flirty Gurl lash adhesive as well. And just getting those put on. Popping those bad boys on. Super cute. Lashes change your look, you guys. Alright, so now I'm just going to line my lips using my Makeup Shayla Times ColourPop BFF3 pencil. It's a nice little brown shade, as you can see. And then I'm going to take my KKW New Lipstick in number 3 and just put that all over my lips. Okay, so this is the final look. Super cute. And I am loving it. I think I'm going to practice my cut crease a little bit more often so I can get better at it, because I am kind of loving the cut crease look. So yes, but this is my candy cane liner. So this is the look for today. Just wanted to be festive. So what do you think of today's look? Do you guys think it's cute? So if so, give this video a thumbs up. So that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.